Hello, it's me again. We're back in Evans. Round 2. And that's Jessie. And now Mom. So now Mom has told me that she cannot roll her tongue. She can't do this. She can't do... Anyone can do that.
I can't do it.
Keep going. Like a taco. Like a taco.
I can't.
You almost got it.
Why you gotta raise your shoulders with it? Don't think about it. Papito, can you do it?
Yeah,
You can't do that?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
No, yo creo que los dientes no me dejan.
Let me see. Yeah.
That looks so gross.
Like, I can't do it.
I don't like Papito. Ew.
Papito, no.
I can't do it.
See, now you elbow me because you don't want me to do it. So, funny.
No, I didn't elbow you.
Yes, you did. Like, stop.
Oh, because you were exaggerating.
So, I thought we were having fun.
We are, look. Papito, look at Mom, look at Mom. Papito.
Papito.
What are you trying to do?
She's trying to do it.
I can't do it.
How far can your thumb go back?
How far can your thumb go back?
Ah,
Nope.
you fell. My thumb can go back.
I can't do it.
Ew.
Can you do that?
Oh, no.
Woo. Okay, and that's that.